Hi everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I want to share with you some ideas that I have on ways to use my mango raspberry fruit dressing. If you haven't tried it, I urge you to give this a try. It's really good. It's similar in texture to an applesauce, but way better than any applesauce I've ever tried. Drizzle this dressing over a fruit salad. You can use pretty much any fruit that you want, but fruits that go especially well with it would include apples, bananas, berries, citrus fruits, grapes, mangoes, melons, peaches, pears, pineapple, tangerines, and even watermelon would go well with it. How about swirling some into your favorite yogurt? It would add a delicious fruit flavor to it and without having any added sugar in there. Add it to a smoothie. Use it as an ice cream topping. Eat it just as it is, like a dessert or a snack. It's really good. Use it in place of applesauce. However you might use applesauce, try this dressing in place of it. I think it will work well for you. You could also partially freeze it and blend it into a sorbet. That would be really good. Drizzle it on cake. How about topping pancake or waffles with it? That would be much better for you than some super sweet pancake topping. Use it as a cheesecake topping. Serve it chunky. Don't blend it up quite as much as I did in my other video, or blend it smooth. Slightly warm it, serve it chilled. Any way you want, this will be good. You could warm it up slightly and serve it over grilled pork or chicken or even fish. How about swirling it into softened cream cheese or your favorite nut butter, spreading it on toast, a bagel, or even including that in a sandwich like a nut butter and jam sandwich, but you're going to use nut butter and this mango raspberry dressing instead. Much healthier. Serve it as a dip on a fruit and cheese tray. In this case, when you blend it up, you want to make sure you add the extra tablespoon or so of ground up flax meal. That'll help to thicken it up and help it to hold better to whatever you're dipping it in. Use it as a topping on pudding. Top your oatmeal or your favorite porridge with this mango raspberry dressing. It would add a nice fruit flavor to it and it wouldn't be overly sweet. Make a parfait with it. Layer some yogurt or pudding with this mango raspberry dressing. Maybe some assorted fruit if you like, and even add some granola in there for crunch, and oh, it would be really good. If you haven't tried it, do give it a whirl because it really is good. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.